Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of -0.97. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently it shows a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of 13.25% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging between -20.94% and -9.85%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 12.45%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 4.23% to 30.52% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $515.01 and $644.89. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for VOO ETF Price After Tuesday Trading. The VOO ETF price decreased by approximately 0.281% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, falling from $495.48 to $494.09. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.18%, ranging from a low of $493.47 to a high of $499.27. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 4.21% for this period. On the last day, trading volume also decreased, which is a positive indication since volume typically follows the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 6 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.17 billion. Reviewing the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price stood at $442.80. Currently, the price is 12.38%, or $69.81, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for this ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, reveal a turbulent market landscape marked by significant shifts in investor sentiment. As of the 15th of April, 2025, VOO is navigating challenges associated with the S&P 500 experiencing its first death cross in 3 years. This occurs when the 50-day moving average dips below the 200-day moving average, signaling potential bearish momentum. Such technical indicators often raise concerns among investors regarding future stock price declines. Additionally, amid heightened market volatility, ETF flows have become a focal point. The latest episode of ETF Prime discusses these flows, suggesting that investors might be reassessing their strategies in light of recent market shifts. Notably, a significant sell-off was recorded, with VOO dropping 12% in early April due to investor reactions to President Trump's tariff initiatives. This indicates that geopolitical factors could have lasting implications on market performance and investor confidence. In the short term, these dynamics may lead to increased volatility around VOO as traders respond to both technical signals and fiscal policy developments. Long-term prospects could hinge on broader economic conditions and the resolution of trade tensions. While some millionaires are making substantial bets on this ETF, caution is warranted given the macroeconomic fragility and recent trading patterns. Monitoring these trends will be crucial for investors as they determine their exposure to VOO in a rapidly changing marketplace. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 8.18%. Further increases are indicated till a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The VOO ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the ETF, presenting a more negative forecast. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $513.18. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $483.8. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume declined alongside the price, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $465.52 and $463.56. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $465.52. If this support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $463.56 and $456.74. This exchange-traded fund has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the fund moved $5.80 between its high and low, which is 1.18%. For the past week, the fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.34%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $494.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $465.52. If this support level holds firm, it may represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $473.34, representing a decline of 4.2%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is the VOO exchange-traded fund a good buy? The VOO fund displays several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this exchange-traded fund has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by $1.52, starting at a price of $495.61. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment choices on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.